Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a fun, quick and easy DIY to share with all of you. I seen this somewhere on social media. I can't remember. It could have been Pinterest. And I thought it was such a cute idea that I wanted to make a few of these for my daughter, for her to give to some of her friends. She is in remote learning, but she still does talk to a few friends that she did go to the in-school building with, and I thought these would be a super cute way to send a little bit of love. So what I'm making are these faux lollipops, and everything can be made using items from Dollar Tree. So I have some cellophane bags, and they come with these twist ties in the bag. You'll need a pencil. You can pick up a pack, and this way if you need to make them for quite a few people, then you have a whole pack to work with. I have some candy just to fill the faux lollipop with. So we want it looking like this. And this is one that I already made. This is also great if you wanted to make larger size of these lollipops using bigger bowls. That would work great. And then instead of using the cellophane bag, you just get a roll of the cellophane, and then you could just wrap the bowl with that, and it would work great as well. I have some of these mini round bowls. You get 6, so this would make 3 lollipops. I have some ribbon to tie a pretty bow and some Scotch tape, and I'm also going to be using my hot glue gun. So this, as I said, is really super easy. It's just an idea of giving a Valentine in a cute way, all packaged up to look like a lollipop. So without further ado, let's put this lollipop together. So I'm gonna take one of the cellophane bags, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of the bag off because I want more of the pencil showing. So I'm just gonna cut it off right off the bat. And I'll just put that aside. So I'm going to take 2 of my bowls. So when you put your 2 bowls together, that will form the top of your lollipop. And you can fit quite a bit of candy in there. If you wanted to make this for an older child or an adult and you wanted to gift a little gift in there, if it's small enough to fit in here, that would be a really cute idea as well. So I'm going to take one of the bowls, and then I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to, at the bottom of the bowl, press gently with my hot glue gun, and that's going to make a hole at the bottom. And I need to make a large enough hole so that my pencil will fit through. So there. Now I poked my pencil through. I'm just going to leave a little bit there, and then I'm going to add some more hot glue on the inside to secure the pencil in place. And then once it dries on the inside, I'll do the same to the outside as well. Okay, so I added the glue to the inside as well as the outside, and the key to this is just making the hole big enough so that pencil will fit in very snug. This way you're not using as much glue. With this one here, I did it just a little bit too big, and so I had to use more glue, which it still works out fine. Once it's dry, it keeps it secure and in place. So now I'm gonna take my candy, and I'm just gonna add it to the inside. Like that. And then I'm going to take the other bowl and place it over the top like that. Then I'm going to take my Scotch tape and add a few pieces to keep the bowls in place. So as you can see, our lollipop is forming. Just put another piece here. Then I'm going to take my cellophane bag that I cut, and I'll place the lollipop inside, and then I'm just going to give it a couple of twists. Then I'll take my twist tie that came with the cellophane bags, and then I'll twist that to hold the bag in place. The curling ribbon would be really nice to dress this up and make it really full. And you could add different colors. Then I'm just taking a few pieces of Scotch tape and taping the top corners of the bag down so that you see the shape of the lollipop. Then I'll just take some of my ribbon I don't have any of the curling ribbon near me, or I think I would have used that. But this ribbon is pretty as well if you want something more simple in just making a bow. Oh. And there you have your faux lollipop. And I think any classmate would love to receive one of these. You have the pencil and then the candy on the inside. You can also attach a little tag with who it's going to and who it's from. And I think these are absolutely darling and a really sweet way to show someone your friendship and your love. How adorable. Well guys, that will do it for this DIY. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.